The crank cycle, an incredible piece of equipment to improve cardiovascular fitness along with strength training benefits. Improving the muscles in the shoulder girdle, abdominals, back, balance benefits along with the list. Starting off with a single arm crank. Adjust the resistance by turning the knob to the plus. Decrease resistance by turning to the minus. Moving to a double arm turnover, two hands together, working these independent crank arms. Balancing the body, one arm cannot drive the front wheel alone. Each has to do its own work. Moving to two hands, cranking at the same time. Here we go. Starting to put some upper body into the movement, elevating the heart rate. Starting to raise the level by moving off the saddle, standing position, single arm, lunge position. Drive the upper body. Building this workout. High intensity to accelerate fat loss, improve muscle tone. Switch arms, pick it up. Heart rate's elevating. Moving to a double arm turnover. Let's go. Pick up those revolutions. Work it. Yeah, taking it to a double hand turnover together. Here we go. Incorporating full body movement.